Now, the thing is, when A dies, this is to basically illustrate to you what's the operational part. When A dies, Rockville's trustees are informed of A's death. Rockville's will claim the insurance proceeds from the insurer, and if the claim is successful, all monies will go to the trust fund of A, which eventually, let's say, will go to the beneficiary of A that he named. If the amount of the insurance claim is full, then Rockville's will transfer the shares of A to B and C quickly. If it's not in full, there is some shortfall. Rockville's will collect the shortfall from B and C, and Rockville's will need to look at the agreement, what was agreed, when to transfer the shares of A to B and C. Is it wait until full payment, or wait until 6 months, every 6 months do one transfer, or some other method, right, that was agreed upon by A, B, and C. Now, when this buy-sell is done, you have got this advantage. It guarantees a sale to be done. So the buyer and the seller, there's no worry. They know that a sale will be done because it's been agreed upon. Okay. The pricing is also been pre-agreed or predetermined, and it will prevent the seller's family, it will prevent the existing remaining buyers to now sit down and compromise and to come up with a new figure. There's no need to do this anymore because the agreement would have provided for it. And when the sale is going to take place, and the purchase is going to take place, by using the power of attorney, Rockville's is able to transfer the shares of the seller to the buyer quickly. Alright, and more importantly, the family who needs money, you are now converting those shares that can't be converted to be money to provide money for that family. Yeah? And the remaining shareholders, having bought the shares of the deceased partner, can run the business however they want without interference or disturbance from the family of the deceased. Yeah? And the family, of course, once they get hold of the money, they will have the freedom to decide what to do with these funds, or if the instruction in the trust deed of the seller says every month give them X amount, then they are assured of getting an income every month without having to worry where is the next meal going to come from, whether there's going to be food on the table or not. Yeah. Now, of course, they're going to be free from managing a business that they don't know anything about. Now, as I mentioned, with the right things, the conditions stated in the trust, well, you can prevent your beneficiaries from simply misusing or misspending the money from the sale of the shares, which you work so hard for to build that particular business. Right? So having a buy-sell, it actually creates a win-win scenario for everyone involved. The shareholders, which is the seller and the buyer, the family of the seller.